this is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a video of DIY Disney back to school, especially with Cinderella. And I am so excited because I searched whole YouTube and Pinterest and there's nothing like this. So this is totally new and original, so get super excited and get even more excited because all the DIYs in this video are going to be up for a giveaway. So if you want to participate, go to the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below for my Twitter and my Snapchat. Now let's start!
Cinderella notebook DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a glitter foamy. Trace it on your notebook, then add only on the front part ½ an inch, then cut it and now peel and stick. It is that easy. Now do exactly the same on the back part. Get air drying clay. Flatten your clay. Now get a circle and trace it on your clay or a cookie cutter. Now dip your fingers on water and smooth the edges. Get an egg-shaped cookie cutter and cut apart. Now get a bigger cookie cutter than the last one and cut another parts and cut it then in half. Now do this to make it 3D. You can also do this with your fingers. And this is how it's going to look. Look how pretty it is. Now we're going to do this like lines to join them together and then smooth it, and it's looking so good. I am so proud. 2 little triangles, and this will be the curtains. We're going to do like this M shape, and then we're going to pinch the ends. We're going to let it dry apart, and then when it's dry, we're going to glue it together. Now get some silicone molds and then start putting glue in all the molds that you like. When it dries, cut all the imperfections. Then we're going to paint them gold. Paint the door gold, the circle blue, the curtain pink, the background white. Add glitter with the paint wet. I don't know you guys, but this looks super satisfying. Now we're going to get glue spray and we're going to spray it on the circle, and then we're going to add glitter. Then we're going to glue it on our notebook. And now we're going to start gluing every part together like this. And this is the best part, when you have to decor everything. I love this part. So it won't look so plain, we're going to add silicone molds on the edges of the notebook like this. When we're done, we're going to start adding pearls to the whole carriage. Now we're going to get some rhinestones and we're going to cut the ones that we're going to use. Now get a pearl ribbon and cut a strand, and then we're going to glue it on the whole edge of the carriage, and that's it, and it looks so pretty that I love it, guys. Princess Scissors DIY. For this DIY, we're going to need some scissors and we're going to paint it gold. Then we're going to get some silicone molds and add glue on them. When it dries, we're going to cut its imperfection. The thing that I like the most about using hot glue gun, that if you don't have a shape that you want, you can make it by cutting it and then paint it. Now we're going to glue it to our scissor. It's looking so good. It looks like Versace scissors. Now let's add some pearls, and oh my god, these scissors look so pretty, and who would have guessed that they are glue. Now we're going to do exactly the same to the back, and that's it. DIY Cinderella pencil topper. We're going to get air clay. We're going to make a ball. Then we're going to put a pencil in it to make a hole. Now we're going to make the shape of a leaf and cut it. We're going to smooth the edges with water, and now we're going to do the same but smaller. We're going to make some lines to join them to the ball, and then we're going to smooth it. We're going to smooth the whole ball. Now we're going to make a smaller ball, and this is the hair. We're going to pinch it like this, and then we're going to smooth it. When it dries, we're going to paint the hair yellow, the face, and then we're going to make little eyes, little cheeks, and a mouth, and that's it, and it looks so cute.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song.
DIY princess stapler. For this DIY, we're going to need a stapler. We're going to paint it gold. Then we're going to get a silicone mold and add glue to it. When it dries, we're going to cut its imperfections. Then we're going to paint it gold. Then we're going to add it to our stapler. And then we're going to add some little pearls, and that's it, and it looks so pretty. This was one of my favorites.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
DIY Cinderella Carriage sharpener. For this DIY, we're going to get air clay. We're going to make a ball, then we're going to smooth it. Then we're going to cut this part so our sharpener can fit in. And we're going to cut the edges of our sharpener like this so the edges looks prettier. When it dries, we're going to paint it blue. Then we're going to put glue on our silicone mold. When it dries, we're going to cut its imperfection. What I love about this glue is that if you have a shape and you want it smaller, just cut it and that's it. Now we're going to paint them all. Now we're going to paint our ball blue again so we can add glitter. When it dries, we're going to start adding our silicone molds with glue. Then we're going to add pearls, and it's looking so pretty. Then we're going to get some rhinestone and glue them, and that's it, and it looks so beautiful that I am in love.
DIY video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a huge thumbs up, and comment down below. Follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. Don't forget to participate on the giveaway. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.
The world, blue skies and nights when